dapat po yung kauna-unahan kong play sa Universidad ng Pilipinas, siya dapat ang partner ko. Pero sikat-sikat pa po siya noon eh. 1980s. He should have been the Demetrius to my Helena in Midsummer Night's Dream, Shakespeare. Pero hindi po nangyari yun. Pero nagkita pa rin po kami sa teatro. Teatro pa rin po kami nagkakilala. Tapos sinabi ko sa kanya, alam mo, dapat partner kita, sabi ni Tony Mabesa eh. Kasi busy ka, so hindi ko na yung partner ko. Sabi niya sa akin, buti na lang hindi tayo naging partner. Kasi kung hindi si Dennis Barasigan ang napangasahan mo. Pero hindi kita sasagutin kasi masyado kang gwapo. Saan ka lang ng ulo sa akin. Then from then on, our friendship blossomed into a mutual understanding and love, respect, adoration for one another. Every time I do a play, of course, there are some very sensitive scenes where we kiss, we hug, and this Ricky, kahit alam kong alembong siya, kahit alam ko, alembong ka naman talaga ni Gato, kahit alam kong alembong siya, I always feel very, very safe with him. I never ever felt any of the abuse or the overstepping the line, anything. If it's Ricardo, I'm always safe. And I haven't told a lot of people about this. The reason why I got into show business is because of him. Yung kung tatay ng mga anak ko ay naging AD ni Israel Bernal. I have been invited several times to be part of Ishmael's film. I'm always very scared. I look at myself like I'm just a theater actor, and during that time, they look at theater actors differently as nowadays. We were just theater actors then. And I was very scared of the system of show business bago pa po nagkaroon ng cut-offs at University Law. Ang work day ko ay from 24 to 30 hours a day. And there is really, no matter what you say, a star system in show business, which I am very scared of because I don't consider myself as, somebody. So, alam ko, I will just be a chipwara. So, sabi ko kay Ricardo, hindi ko kaya. Hindi ko kakayanin because the system is very different from theater. We go to, it's the time, the waiting time, hindi ko kakayanin. Siya po ang pumilit actually sa akin. Siya po yung nagsabi sa akin na, sige na, kumayag ka. Magdidire. Sabihin mo kung magkano gusto mong bayad sa'yo, ipaglalaban kita. Ay, palit pala. Ipaglalaban kita. Ipaglalaban kita, sabi niya sa akin. Then sabi ko, huwag mo akong papabayaan ha. Sabi niya, hindi kita pa. And he made true his promise. And then from then on, I was able to get into the business. I've never thanked you enough, Ricardo. I've never thanked you enough for that. And actually, I've never told you how thankful I am for what you did and you've done to me. For always making me feel safe, for always being there. Kahit hindi tayo nakikita palagi, pero pag nakita tayo, parang kahapon, parang kagabi lang tayo. I was very happy I was able to work with you water. And let me make a solemn promise. Ara, if you need help, you can call on me. Anytime.
Okay lang.
Ito kasi Ricardo to eh. The Ricardo Jr. to eh. I'm kidding. God of your dad, I am making a promise to you and to your dad. If you need any help, I will do the same thing that your dad gave me. At ipapabaon ko sa iyo, Ricardo, ang lagi kong sinasabi pag nagkikita tayo, mas magaling ka. Mas magaling ka. Mas magaling ka. I love you, and until we see each other again, be an angel and guide us. Show us. Teach us.